When it comes to security, durability, and ease of use, garage doors play a vital role in every property. And behind every smooth operation is the right hardware. Primeline is a leading supplier of repair and replacement hardware for residential, commercial, and industrial use. From rollers and hinges to locks and tracks, Primeline is the go-to source for contractors, retailers, and homeowners alike. Our comprehensive garage door hardware line includes rollers for smooth, quiet door operation with nylon, steel, or ball bearing options, hinges and brackets built for strength and corrosion resistance, suitable for most sectional doors, cables and drums, precision wound for safe lifting and consistent balance, locks and handles, keyed locks, slide bolts, and lift handles for enhanced security, spring components including winding bars, pulleys, and safety containment systems. Track hardware and accessories, complete kits, spacers, brackets, and replacement sections. Whatever your setup, Primeline has a part that fits. Primeline parts are known for their reliability and universal compatibility. Our hardware is engineered to meet or exceed original specifications, so it integrates seamlessly with most major garage door brands, old or new. We rigorously test our product for strength, wear resistance, and climate durability. Whether you're a novice or a professional installer, Primeline garage door hardware is built for quick and easy installation. Clear instructions, universal designs, and smart packaging help get the job done right the first time. Need help finding the right part? Our knowledgeable customer support team is ready to assist. And with continuous product development, Primeline stays ahead of evolving industry trends while still keeping those older garage doors in working shape. Primeline products are widely available at your favorite retailer.